Hello, this is Gloria from Wishpower. Wishpower is a manufacturer and supplier of electrical insulation equipment. Today we are going to introduce you a dedicated tensioners for post insulator. It is suitable for composite insulator, household insulator, and also for the HDPE post insulator. It is innovative and labor saving, 60% less effort than the traditional tensioners, doubling the efficiency of overhead works. It is also secure and reliable. The quick installation and firm grip makes operation easier and power lines safer. And also, it is rust-free and corrosion resistant to ensure a long service life of the tensioners. And finally, the color can be customized by the customer. This is a professional tensioners for overhead works.